In the 1880s, Steveston, British Columbia, now part of the city of Richmond, was a bustling community thriving with activity. There were 15 fish canneries, which employed thousands of people during the salmon run, and supplied customers as far away as Japan. We are standing in front of the Gulf of Georgia Cannery, which is now the sole cannery left in Richmond. Today, it is a National Historic Site, with a museum and almost all year-round cultural programming. It was built in 1894 and was added to until 1964 due to changing technologies. The cannery is made up of several parts, including the main cannery building, an ice house, a foundry, and storage sheds. It is a wood frame building, and it is constructed of heavy timbers and corrugated metal, as we see here. It was designated as a National Historic Site in the 1980s, and its architecture is quite utilitarian. So it's not very pretty, but it wasn't meant to be pretty. It was meant to be a functioning business, and now some people recognize the importance of keeping parts of our past, and because it is important to keep parts of our past in order to teach the young people of the new generations what life was like long ago. We see in the Gulf of Georgia Cannery some important parts of the changes that occurred in the heritage designation process. This building is not architecturally significant. Instead, it is culturally significant. Its cultural impact on the people of Steveston in this community and on the city of Richmond is very large, because for so long it was an important part of the community. And so there is a change in the heritage designation process between architecturally significant and culturally significant. And it is now recognized that culturally significant buildings, such as the Gulf of Georgia Cannery, are important, and that's why it's a National Historic Site. The architect for this building is unknown. In fact, it's not even known if there was an architect. In addition, its style, as I mentioned before, is of no stylistic importance. And there is no special techniques that were used in the building of this building. It's not important in that way. What we need to recognize is that its importance lies in its cultural impact. And that is why it's a National Historic Site. So what I would suggest for all of you is to take a walk in your neighborhood. Look around, and you never know, you may just find a provincial or nationally designated heritage site just around the corner.